What's up guys, Gubro here with another video. This time it's another Lenovo watch. It's the Lenovo Watch X. Okay, last time we checked the Watch 9. Watch X is a different kind of a beast. This is the box it came in. I paid around a little bit over 30 quid for it on Zappos. Okay, this is on the back of the box. Well, all in Chinese, so it won't make any difference to me. And let's see what's in the box. Okay, so straight away what we get here is we have a manual, of course all in Chinese, so again not a big help. You can download the the app for it from these locations, although I found the Lenovo Watch app on the App Store or the Play Store, sorry. So actually you don't have to hack anything or download unknown sources. You can just get it from the Play Store. Okay, so there is not much in the box. It's the watch itself put on the one side, and the charging cable, which is about 60 centimeters, and it's a magnetic cable. Let's see the watch itself. Okay, let's take it off. Right, the watch is big, and I mean it. It's really big one. On the front it's an analog, looks like an analog watch, but there is a little OLED display. According to the to Lenovo, it runs up to 45 days on a charge. On the back it says smartwatch Lenovo 8 ATM water resistant. There is heart rate monitor on the bottom, and also the charging port goes up here. It's magnetic, so it will attach here. Okay, it came with this nice Milanese loop. Yeah, basically that's it. So let's try and pair it with the phone. Okay, it says smart app designed for smart and healthy life. Okay, health recorder, help to build a healthy life. Running zone, enjoy running with others. And that's it. Before we do one more thing, according to the company, it's a sapphire crystal glass on the front, and it's according to Lenovo, it's a 316 stainless steel body. There is nothing on the left hand side. On the right hand side there is only one button. It's shiny black, and it's relatively heavy as well. Okay, so start Lenovo watch. Okay, please open the phone Bluetooth. Okay, well, it's done. Next, yeah, let's access it. Keep the watch close to your phone. Yeah, done. Watch X, that's it. No, not that one. Nope. Watch X. Yeah, shake the watch or click any button. Okay, click the button and shake. Well, oh, okay. Welcome to use hands calibration. Okay, so I learned from last time and I know that I have to put in the actual time on the watch. Okay, check the time on the watch. Next. Okay, fill in. Okay, so it's 12:15. Yep. Okay, upgrade the new version. Okay. Install. Open the app. Yeah, there are two versions, the X and the X Plus. It's recommended. Yeah. It's others. Okay. Anyway, so log into Lenovo. Okay. Right, okay, I logged in, and actually the watch is now showing the correct time. You can see it's almost 7 o'clock. Right, what can we do? According to the watch, or well, to the app, I made 674 steps today. That's obviously that's bullshit. No sleep, no workout. Yeah. Okay, more activities coming soon. Right, what can we do? It's pretty straightforward, not a very difficult application to run. Yeah, okay, so right. Okay. These are the things you should be careful with. Right, okay, it can do remote shutter, it can do a heart rate test. We can do a heart rate test actually. I put my finger on it and then we'll see. Okay, obviously. Ah, no, not on this one. It will be on the watch. Anyway, smart alarm, smart reminder, and watch mode, start time saying, okay. Well, these are the things you can actually access with the phone. What light screen is, I have no idea. Okay, let's go back and let's see what can we do with the watch. Okay, so it shows the time. It says 19:01. Well, the weather is not completely accurate, but hey ho. Okay, so if I press the button, it will come in this, and it will automatically scroll through all the main information. And then that's it, and it goes off. If I press it long, absolutely nothing will happen. Okay, so short press, it's pretty straightforward. It's not a difficult one. Okay, so it says 8 ATM water resistant, so in theory you can swim with it. I will see how it goes. Anyway, I will test it out and I will come back with another video and I will tell you my findings. We'll see. Okay guys, thank you, peace out.